Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a colored name on Modern Warfare 2. So this is a very cool glitch that you can find here. So first of all, we have to go to start menu and click on start, and after that you have to go to the last option, that is where you will see your level, and after that you can see here that last option is edit clan tag. You will see here that custom clan tag, and you have to enter this code which is on upper arrow, and after that you have to enter the number. For example, 1 is for red, 2 is for yellow, 3 is for blue, and in this way and so on, right? Don't enter the number 7 because this will not give you any color. So I will just enter here number 6 and I will just write here LOL, right? And after that you have to click on save, and here you can see that I have got a bright pink and it is written LOL, and this looks kind of very cool when you're playing with your team. So this is it guys. If you found this video really useful, make sure to subscribe our channel, like this video and leave a comment down below, and see you in the next video. Till the time, take care, goodbye.